hostel boys enjoying before the studies. Yeah, you'll find in the hostel all types of competitions were conducted, like drawing competitions and carom board competitions, ludo, chess, singing, dancing. The competition. We can see what are they drawing. Some questions were given, a narrative question for drawing. So yeah, here are some fellows who are drawing. They're really excited. And here is the carom board competition, junior ones. And yeah, there is also a ludo competition. You can see it sometimes. Yeah, here is ludo competition, senior. Okay, these people have a great time. And we have some more there practicing for songs competition. Yeah, here's bodyman. Yeah, still there is ongoing practice. Competitions was conducted between the Tenge group and Moyo Moyo group. Yeah, they have a great time in the hostel. This was all before the studies, and yeah, the students were having their lunch. Oh yeah, sing everybody. Curry was tasty. I have tasted, and hope everyone does sushi will come to St. John's Hostel. Yeah, it's interesting, and here are some of the firewood which the student will have to do later on. Yeah, the students were obediently making a queue, taking the lunch. They are really disciplined people. Yeah. The songs behind the scene was sung by Mr. Baitan Jamatia, Birofori, and mini drummer Devasis Devama. Yeah, here some students were doing their works, putting the firewood in a proper place. See, they really enjoy. This is also some types of enjoyment in the hostel too. Here the scene is again. The refreshments were provided after the service. You can see the students really eagerly. These are all types of enjoyment in the hostel. Togetherness. So boys' turn. Yeah, this is junior boys. The hostel contained from class 4 till class 12. And the strength is quite many. You'll find lots, and some of them have gone home because of their health problem. Yeah, here we can see some few students volunteering themselves to serve the younger ones. You'll find more big ones are coming. These are all junior boys. Yeah, you love to see them now. I think so. Yeah, these are sub-junior. Yeah, some bigger ones have started taking. You can find the scene. Okay, it's time for girls again. They're really having a very good discipline. Yeah, you can find them. Of course, there is some fun, togetherness. So I hope you'll enjoy watching my vlog. I thought of talking to them, but there's no chance. So now the bigger ones are coming, bigger girls. They are of now class 10, 12, 9. Yeah. Some of them are candidates. Yeah. Yeah, the real bigger ones are coming. You'll find them. They are now class 12, 9, 10. They are really handsome and smart as you see them. Yeah, everyone was doing their duty well. This was done by bigger girls. They carried a chair after the service. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Thank you, Mr. Baitang Zamatia.